welcome Indrani.
Thank you so much, Rajali.
Please come in, Indrani.
Oh wow, amazing, yeah. You have a beautiful house.
Thank you so much.
But then before that, you are wearing an amazing sari.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Very,
much.
very pretty you are looking.
This is as vintage as I could go.
Is it?
And a pre-love too.
Wow. Just imagine, guys, she's wearing a pre-love vintage sari. And how old the sari must be?
Something like 40 years old.
Oh, just 40 years. But an amazing, amazing color. This entire
It's a vintage Kanchipuram.
Kanchipuram sari. Wow, amazing.
Looking forward to a beautiful afternoon with you.
So, as we always talk about that each sari has a story like the one she is wearing. But today it's going to be different. We have come to a beautiful house to meet a very lovely lady who has a very unique story around saris. And today we are going to unveil her story around saris. But before I start, I want to welcome you to our second episode of the Wardrobe Audit. Welcome to Rajuli's Place. Here we discuss lives of Indian women beyond saris. So hi Rajuli.
Hello.
How's life going?
Life
on?
is good. Life is always good.
Wow. And where do you stay? What do you do? What's your passion?
So I stay in Baroda.
Okay.
I've been staying here since last 32 years.
Wow.
Married here. My son also grew up in this city, and I live in a quaint house with lots of greens around.
I can see that.
And I'm in a
Amazing.
double inverted commas housewife.
There's no housewives. I mean, she's got amazing passions and she has an amazing collection of vintage beloved saris. So before we dig deeper into her sari collection, first we want to know a bit about her childhood, a bit about little Rajuli, and what was it like? Who
Okay.
you were when you were 10 years old, where you were staying?
One thing for sure, I'll tell you, I was always a sari lover from the age of 8, 9, 10.
Wow.
I and my cousins, two cousins, we would be draping saris just for fun. During our summer holidays, we would take out saris from mom's wardrobes and we would drape them whatever way we could, and we had a gala time celebrating.
What was that first formal event or day when you wore your sari for the first time?
So I think it was one of the bhai photos when I must have been in 5th standard. I would have been in 5th grade, and my cousin Lipi, she would have been in 3rd grade. And we draped saris. I have photographs, and
Wow.
then on every bhai photo we would be draping saris like a formal draping.
Okay.
We would
And
get
you would
up.
do on your own, or your mother would help you?
That time our mashis and mamis, they would help us. Yeah.
Okay, amazing, amazing. So largely, like, how did it become? You said bhai phota was how it started.
Yes,
right?
it started with bhai photo.
Bhai phota. And how did it grow? Your sari growth story, if I have to capture.
I must thank my Mashi, Pishi, mom, Didima, Thakuma, Jethima, everybody,
Okay.
because they all draped saris throughout the time. They never wore anything else. They wore only
Bengali after all.
saris. Yeah. And we would see them, and that's how it has come to the next generation.
Okay.
And we would, as I said, we would raid their cupboards, and they had such excellent pieces from Kanjivarams to Dhakais to, awesome Chanderis. They had everything. And what mess we would make when they were not around at home, and we would just take out any saris and drape it, and once they were back from their office, they would stare at their saris and they were like, what have you done?
Wow. And
So wonderful memories around saris.
I can totally understand. Comes to, let's say, you're a Bengali, and then, like you said, you only have seen your family wearing saris, the ladies.
Yes.
So, what do you think about this entire hands-down culture that India has around saris, especially?
I think it was always there in India, because there was a time that fast fashion is something that has come now. It was in our family. It was always hands down something which my elder cousins have worn. Not just saris, I'm talking about even clothes. It would be handed over to the next cousin, then to the next, then to the next, and it would be worn by almost 4 to 5 people before it was discarded. It was, fast fashion was never something when we were kids.
Right.
So
Comes to, let's say we know or we understand about hands down when it comes
Yeah.
to our relatives or our friends and family, it's easier for us to accept and treasure them.
Yes.
But would you equally love if you have to get somebody else's pre-loved sari which has been?
Absolutely, absolutely. The reason being,
Yeah.
saris, the silks, especially the silks I'm talking about, that you used to get 30 years, 40 years, 50 years back. You don't get those silks now. That softness, that finish, that shine, it's not there in today's silk. Those silks were far better in quality and feel and durability.
Right.
You see, you still have so many ladies still have their moms, grandmoms, great grandmoms saris, handed over, and they are still in very good condition. You won't find that happening with the same with today's saris.
Right.
So why I love vintage saris and pre-loved saris, and I buy a lot of pre-loved saris, is because those designs, those patterns are not made anymore.
Okay.
And I also believe saving money, because that same a grand patola would otherwise cost me 50,000 rupees in the market, but it might cost me just 10,000 rupees if it is a pre-loved.
Right.
So I'm saving a lot of money.
Yes. Now we'll definitely explore her wardrobe, and that's the whole idea of this entire conversation. Let's dig deeper into her collections, the histories, the stories that she has. So now we are going to uncover her closet, because we have come for a wardrobe audit, and let's see what is there in her closet. Yes, please show us
Okay.
your collection, Lajuli.
So
Yes.
this is just a small collection of what I have not draped yet.
Okay.
So these saris,
Okay.
they are not draped, they are all new saris,
Okay.
a part of.
And what
My
are the
collection.
sarees that you have?
Oh, we have all kind of saris. I have cottons, tussars, himrus, Mysore crepes, ilkas. I have
And
a few satyapals.
Ooh, and are these pre-loved or are these new?
Yeah, 80% of this is pre-loved,
Wow.
and only 20%. I have now more pre-loved than my own purchase saris.
Wow. Now the thing is, show us two favorite sari from this collection of yours.
Two favorite saris. Okay.
And also pre-loved.
Oh yes,
Disclaimer.
I'm showing you one pre-loved sari, which is, I love it so much. It's so grand, you won't believe. Look at that sari.
Amazing.
Oh my God, isn't it beautiful?
Banarasi. Awesome.
Yeah, it's Banarasi,
Yeah.
and you can't capture the weight in the camera. But just hold this.
Yeah.
Just hold this.
Ooh.
Oh, it's so
Must
heavy.
be 5 kgs.
Oh yes. No, I don't know, 5 kgs. Yeah, something like 4 kgs or
For sure.
something like that. But it's a very grand sari. I just love it. And I'll show you one more very grand himru, which you don't find.
Himros are like my favorite.
Yeah,
as well.
and this is such a. Can you even say from its shine that it's a pre-loved?
No, I
It's
cannot.
not. It looks like as good as new.
But you never wore this sari.
I wore this. I draped this just a few months back at a friend's wedding.
Just put it on yourself. No, just want to
Sure,
see
I'll
how
do
it
that.
looks in the mirror.
Yes.
Himros are amazing saris.
Oh yes, they are. They are very beautiful, and it has got a very beautiful dual tone of purple.
And this is pre-loved.
And this is pre-loved. Yes.
And how much did you get this sari for, if you don't mind?
Not much. I think 2,500. Can you believe? That's why pre-loves are so much fun. You get some beautiful saris at throwaway prices. The condition is good. You can drape them as many times as you want, and
Exactly.
you don't
And
get
it's
them
very
even new.
pocket-friendly.
Yeah, it's very pocket friendly.
Amazing.
So now I will show you some of my saris, which are my own purchases, as well as pre-loves.
Okay.
Okay, so let's begin. This has got some
Wow.
great Banarasis.
Wow.
You will be fine. The ones which are in the bags, they are all new. I haven't worn them.
Okay.
Then I have.
She's got cupboard full of sarees.
Yeah, so this is all linens and dhakais and kota. So this sari has been given to me by one of my mom's friend, Haldar Kakima, and she has worn saris all her life, and sadly she's no more. But before she passed away, she gave me 60 of her most exquisite saris.
Wow.
And this is one of them. I can't show you all 60.
So naturally, you mentioned that you love to buy pre-loved sarees.
Oh, yes.
But have you ever sold pre-loved sarees?
Yeah, quite a lot, many times on different platforms. Yeah.
Okay.
On
And
LinkedIn.
did you face any challenges?
Okay, yeah, sometimes with, there are issues with info about the saris, and sometimes I don't get the right audience.
Okay.
That's a major hiccup.
Got it. So have you ever heard about something called Anyu?
No, that's new to me.
Okay, great. No problem. So Anyu is basically an initiative that I have taken
Okay.
to help Indian women to be able to sell their pre-loved sarees.
Oh,
And
wow.
also to definitely buy pre-loved sarees.
Lovely.
So it's a way to make and save money.
Yes,
And
absolutely.
obviously, you can help another women by rehoming their sarees.
Oh,
and then
yes.
with that money, they can fulfill their aspirations.
Oh,
especially
wow.
homemakers or working lady. Money is something that we love, right?
Yes.
And it's especially when you have a stack of sarees in your wardrobe that you would love to give away to
Ask me.
somebody else. And also rehome this expensive sarees. that are very, very
Yes,
affordable price.
absolutely.
So I am running a platform. It's just
Okay.
been a few years, you can say.
Okay.
It's just been 2 years.
Okay.
So since 2 years we have been running this. Yeah. 2 years.
Excellent.
And we would love to introduce you to the
I would
platform.
absolutely love to be a part of it.
Yes.
It's perfect for me.
Great.
Okay, so give me the name.
Yeah. It's Anyu only. So you have to go to Google search.
Okay.
And then you have to www.anyu.com and go there. So currently it's a website. Correct. Yeah, you can
This
go
one?
there. Yeah.
Okay. Lovely.
Yes.
So I just go here.
Yeah. So there we have two options. Just go back once.
Okay.
No, I mean here only.
Here.
Yeah. So this is you can go through the entire this thing. So we
Okay.
have three options. We have you can
Shop,
sell.
resell. Okay, so I'll sign up.
Yeah, you can sign up as if you want to sign up as a buyer. If you want to sell, you can just
Okay.
sell. So you can just sign up as a seller for that matter,
Okay.
and just start selling.
Oh, excellent.
Yeah. But have you ever seen something like this?
No, never. This is excellent.
So
This is
just
a
exit.
first.
Yeah, just exit. Yeah.
Okay.
So this is like more like having an Instagram store within a website. So simply can sign up here, giving your phone number and your email ID.
Okay.
And in 5 minutes, your store is created, and
This is beautiful.
you can literally sell it having a storefront inside a website where you have your own collections put up.
Amazing.
So that anybody can simply go to your store and see what Largely has to offer.
That's brilliant.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
This is going to be, something so much fun.
Yeah. So
Then-
you have to put your email ID
I
here.
just did.
And send OTP. Put your phone number. So your email and your phone number is verified. Then
Okay.
just register now and start selling.
Oh, great.
So now you just have to put few information about you. Let's
Okay.
say here you can put a cover photo like you put in Facebook.
Okay.
And a profile picture.
Okay.
Just scroll down a bit. Awesome. Now what you can do is here you can start uploading your sari pictures. Okay. Let's
Okay.
say we'll go to upload a product.
Should I do it
yeah.
now? Yeah.
And here you would just click 4-5 images and then you would put it, select the colors and then choose the product
Oh,
description,
lovely.
etc.
This is very helpful.
So and that's how you kind of upload the final product, and you have all the pre-selected categories to select among from them.
Okay.
So put a history of the product
Sure.
and then publish it.
Excellent.
So that's how it is. And so thank you so much for signing up with us. and I wish you all the best with your pre-loved sarees.
Thank you
I
so
hope
much.
that you sell and also buy from us.
Absolutely.
I hope you get a difference in your experience.
Sure, I am going to be. I am super excited about this a new thing.
Yeah. And thank you so much for having us with you.
Anytime. Pleasure was all mine.
If you have wardrobe full of sarees whose stories are waiting to be retold, then go to Google search and write www.anu.com and list your sarees with us. Link in the description. Thank you.